Check this out. Hey Roku, where's my remote? Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Roku Remote 2nd edition. My old remote went out. I ordered this new one, and let me tell you what, if you don't have this Roku remote, you're missing out. Let me just give you a quick close-up. It has all the standard controls like you're used to. You got your push buttons down here. Has pretty much everything that you're used to with the remote. It is rechargeable. I do like that feature, but there are some new things it'll do that will surprise you. Of course, this remote will power up your TV, control your volume, select your channels, etc. It does all of that stuff that you're used to. Here's a feature that I'm really excited about because every now and then I lose my remote. So what you can do is this, and just listen. Hey Roku, where's my remote? You hear that? That is awesome. I can't tell you what an awesome feature that is. No more lost remotes. Here's another cool feature. I'm not going to touch any buttons on the Roku, but you can just talk to it. Hey Roku, open YouTube. And there it is. Voice control. That is fantastic. Here's another great feature they built into the 2nd edition. When you touch it, it lights up at night. That is great. So watch, I'm just touching it and it lights up. If you have a Roku, you want this in your life. Well folks, I can't recommend this Roku Pro 2nd edition remote enough. I love it. I think you will too. So if you're looking at it, I hope you found my video helpful.